Market Chameleon alerts. This is what we're doing today. This is a feature that opens every time you are on the home page. I feel that I haven't talked about this enough, but this is pretty powerful all the way here and updates every 15 minutes or so with new alerts. So this is what we're gonna cover, and in order to do so, 7 days in for Market Chameleon. If you're not a member just yet, link in the description below. Okay, so let's get started first of all with the disclaimer. And note that this is not a financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. This is for education, entertainment purposes only. And my name is Eve, also known as Finance After 40. With that being said, let's get started with the alerts. Okay. So, as I said, home page. If it doesn't open right away, you're gonna click alerts right here after you check all the trade idea and all that. Click alerts. And let's see what we got. So we got snow earning coming after market close. Okay, so this is like I don't know, like information alert. So if you scroll, it says here, this is when the time that I'm recording, 12:40 p.m. And those are all the alerts from the start of the day. You see we got 50 entries and it keeps going. You can just click the alerts for details. So it just tells us, hey, Snowflake is going basically earnings. And it tells you what's up. The option market is pricing a plus or minus 10.9% move, and if there's any trade idea, it will give you. Basically, here's the price, 133, and you see here a lot, but there's so much information that's insane. Long straddle, average return 15%, long strangle 22%, win rate 60. Okay, credit iron butterfly, credit iron condor. Interesting. And it tells you that the expected move is about 11% up or down, expected earning moves. Okay, I'm just looking here. Okay, so this is in the red, nothing special. Earning date, all the information in here. Okay, so that's just one alert. Now if you go to the next one, United Healthcare, for example, overpriced bear call spread has a 56% yield potential. What does it mean? I don't know. I'm gonna click on the details. That there's 50 alerts to go over, which is insane. So it tells you here, for this example, you sell the September 13th 585 call and you buy the 590 call, and if you click to view the strategy, it tells you exactly all this. You see here it has a 56% yield. Okay, so let's click and see the details. And it tells you right now, run analysis. Okay, it tells you buy the 590 call and sell the 585 call. What's the price right now? And it tells you that basically, okay, so you sell the 585, you buy the 590 call. Price, I'm looking for the price. You collect a premium of 180 bucks compared to 136. I'm not saying do the trade. I'm just telling you all the options that you can explore on a daily basis. You see here current price 580. Okay, so we're already deep in the money, and as long as you see yield if stock is flat 56%, upside cushion 1.1%, your max gain is below 585, distance to max gain 0.8%. Okay, so we're at 580, and basically it tells you to sell the 585 by the 590, and as long as it stays below 585, great. We are already below the 585, as you can see here. If it goes down, great, you collect 180, that is great, and your total risk is 320. So that's one trade idea opportunity, just an opportunity out of 50. Avago put spread, it tells you not the trade itself, it tells you, hey, this has an edge because of, based on history, you should have collected this amount of money, but now you're collecting a lot more. So Avago, for example, put spread $110, trading at 24% premium. That means that you're collecting 110 compared to 86, which is what you should have collected if you do sell the 162, 159, okay, for Avago for August 30. Now, does it mean it's not gonna go above that? No, it doesn't mean, but it just means that based on history, you are collecting more income than what you should have done. So basically, for this trade, August 30, you sell the 162, you buy the 159, and then you collect $100 compared to $60, 81% win rate. Pretty good. Okay, and the price today is 164. Okay, so we are right here. The price is 164, and as long as it stays above 162 in the next 2 weeks, great, you can collect all the income. That's just another trade ideas, and just, yeah, there's just so many opportunities. This is just 50 alerts in the last 3 hours since the market opened. That's how crazy it is. TSMI on Condor, for example, 345 seems to be above fair value. Okay, I don't know what it means, but you can click view the strategy. Interesting. SPY bear put spread is underpriced at 287 compared to 300. Okay, so theoretical edge, not a big deal. I'm looking for something big. The Russell IWM bear put spread appears to be undervalued at 206. Okay, compared to it doesn't say hey it's going up or it's going down. It just say hey, this is an option to collect more income than in the past. For example, look at this SPY bull put spread is overvalued by 38 cents. That means the market is super hyped, and you're collecting like 80 cents compared to 40 cents based on history. And if you click view strategy on the option chain, let's see what we got. Price today 559.5, and it tells you for September 20, almost a month from now, sell the 553 put, buy the 550 put, and collect 75 compared to 55, 79% historical win rate, and we are all in the money. And as long as it stays above 553, great, you collect the entire premium. Basically, that's what it says. That's your goal, to collect more premium than before. Let's see what we got for Tesla. Bull put spread overpriced at 230, theoretical value 193. Okay, so this is something for Tesla. Sell the 220 put for September 13, buy the 215 put, collect $230 credit compared to 193. Interesting. I just want to check target, and again you got 50 of those, and it just, yeah, a lot. Target stock jumped 12% the last earning. Yeah, okay. There's no trade idea. It just tells us what happened with Target today. Yeah, okay, good to know. S&P market update. Okay, so those alerts are not just for trade alerts. It's also some information, so you know what's up in the market. It's important to go over this at least once a day. Once you do your daily routine, check unusual options, check straddle, check condors, etc. Target implied volatility drops 40%, lowest level in 1 month. Interesting. Okay, they posted earnings. Nvidia imply a 12% move in the next 30 days, premium in 95%. Yeah, so everyone expecting a giant move in Nvidia next week post earnings. I don't know, we'll see. We'll see what will happen. Meta bearish sentiment. Okay, you see here bearish sentiment on Facebook Meta, but I mean it depends what's going on. QQQ, this is interesting. Bearish calendar put spread 400% upside. What does that mean? Profit potential. Okay, let's see what it says here. This is interesting. I like those 400% potential. I'm just gonna go over this real quick. Okay, so it says, let's see, for the QQQ, you sell for September 30 the 460 put, and you buy that's a calendar diagonal for October 18, a month later, the 460 put, same thing. So one sell, one buy. $200 debit. Okay, interesting. And where's my profit? And my profit right here, if we're going down, yeah, so if it goes to 460, if you believe that we're going down 460, your max profit is $600 compared to like $200 that you risk. Interesting trade if you believe that the price will go a little down. Okay, because right now the QQQ is around 480. If it goes to 460, I don't know. It depends on many factors. SPY, same thing. You sell the 542. We're at 560. You sell the 542 for September, and you buy the 542 for October. And if it stays like, if it goes to 542, great, you collect the entire income. You see the price right now is 560. Click on run analysis. $170 debit, but here's your max income. This is interesting. At 542 you collect like $550 while risking for 167. So only your debit, $170 to risk for a max gain of 560, as long as the SPY goes down to 542. And you can scroll 50 other trade ideas and opportunities all over the place, and if you refresh you will see even more. Go over this once a day when you go over the trade ideas and summary. It's important to see what's up. Tesla Iron Condor appears to be overvalued. Interesting. There's a lot. Let's see. Tesla, one last try, 221. Let's see, for this Condor, collect $630 compared to 485, 73% win rate. Okay, and here's the trade. Interesting. Collect 600 up front. Max loss is 870 for break even, plus minus 8 or 9%. Okay, no, not bad at all. You need Tesla to go 8 or 9% down. Max gain is anywhere between 210 and 235. This is the trade. You can check it up. I'm not saying do the trade, but this is the trade. 210, 195 on one side, 235, 250 on the other side for September 13. It's possible. Anything is possible. We got ourselves AMD Condor. Is attractively offered $300 compared to 240. Let's see what we got. This is for 2 weeks from now, August 30, not even 2 weeks, 9 days. Price today, let me see the price of AMD. Okay, so we got the credit of 300, 287 compared to 240, 75% win rate. Okay, this is not bad at all. Interesting. And we got ourselves, so the price is 156. Okay, and the max gain is anywhere between 148 and 165. Break even is 7% plus or minus in the next 10 days. Interesting, very interesting. Of course, Nvidia is putting earnings in 7 days, so you might, if you are taking this trade, might consider closing it on the day of Nvidia expiration and Nvidia earnings. Anyway, as I said, 7 days, big free trial, tons of opportunities and trade ideas, and just follow what's going on in the market. You don't need to find other scanners, pay for other services, $100 for a full premium. Everything is open. This was valuable. I'll see you next time. Yeah.